Now students, come to our next topic, basis of accounting. In accounting, to ascertain the profit or loss of a business enterprise at the end of an accounting period, there are two bases of ascertaining profit or loss, namely cash basis and accrual basis. Come to the cash basis of accounting. Under this basis, incomes are not recorded unless they are received in cash. Similarly, expenses are recorded only when they are paid in cash. It means we record only when we received our expense and income. Come to the accrual basis of accounting. Under this basis, incomes are recorded when they are earned or accrued, irrespective of the fact whether cash is received or not. For example, sales made on credit will be included in the total sales of the period. Similarly, expenses are recorded when they are incurred or become due and not when the cash is paid for them. Now come to the next method, hybrid or mixed basis of accounting. This basis of accounting is the mixture of cash basis and accrual basis. Under hybrid basis of accounting, revenue and assets are recorded on cash basis, whereas expense and liability are recorded on accrual basis. Hybrid system of accounting is an acceptable and approved system as per judgments of the court also. Thank you, students.